Hello and welcome to our channel, a sanctuary for your spirit and your mind. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a loop? The same negative thoughts, the same self-doubts, the same patterns playing out in your life, day after day? You try to think positively, but it feels like you're just putting a band-aid on a much deeper wound. What if I told you that there is a key, a simple yet profoundly powerful key that has been used for millennia to unlock the highest potential of the human mind and spirit? A key that can silence the inner critic, rewire your subconscious brain, and literally alter the fabric of your reality. This key is just two words: I am. Today, we are diving deep into the world of I am affirmations. This isn't just another Think Positive video. This is a practical, no-fluff guide to understanding the science and spirituality behind why these two words are so potent, how to use them correctly, and how to craft a 40-day practice that will fundamentally transform your life from the inside out. So, if you're ready to step into your power and become the conscious creator of your life, stick around. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more spiritual wisdom. What are affirmations and why are they so powerful? An affirmation is simply a statement we say to ourselves. But not all affirmations are created equal. The phrase, I am, is unique. It's the most powerful statement in any language. In spiritual texts, it is known as the name of God, the creative force of the universe. When you say, I am, you are not just describing yourself, you are declaring your state of being to the universe. You are commanding your subconscious mind. Your subconscious doesn't process language like, I will be happy someday. It operates in the eternal now. It understands, I am happy. It accepts that statement as a fact, as a command to make true. This is why flimsy affirmations like, I am trying to be confident, don't work. You're affirming the trying, not the confidence. The I am is a direct line to your identity. It bypasses the critical, analytical conscious mind and plants a seed directly into the fertile soil of your subconscious. Every time you say, I am, you are sculpting your self-concept. You are telling the universe, this is who I am. Now, match my reality to this truth. This power isn't just mystical, it's neurological. It's called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout your life. When you constantly repeat a thought or behavior, you strengthen that neural pathway. It becomes your default setting. For most of us, our default settings are negative. I'm not good enough. I can't do this. I don't have enough. By consciously and consistently using I am affirmations, you are quite literally rewiring your brain. You are carving out new, positive neural pathways. You're building a new default setting. Now, let's layer on the spirituality. Almost every wisdom tradition points to this. In the Bible, God tells Moses, I am that I am. In Hinduism, the concept of Aham Brahmasmi means I am Brahman or I am the universe. This isn't ego, it's recognizing the divine spark within you. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a co-creator. The I am is your creative tool. The law of assumption and the law of attraction both hinge on this. You must first be it on the inside to see it on the outside. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So, how do we do this right? Most people fail with affirmations because they use vague, future-based, or unbelievable statements. Let's break down the framework for creating powerful, effective I am affirmations. Rule 1. Always speak in the present tense. Remember, the subconscious lives in the now. Rule 2. Keep it positive and affirm what you want, not what you don't want. Rule 3. Make it believable and emotional. The power of an affirmation lies not only in the words, but in your belief and emotional engagement as you use them. Emotion is the fuel that charges the affirmation. Rule 4. Keep it short, simple, and specific. Focus on one area per affirmation session. In short, repetition is key. Say your chosen affirmation 10 to 20 times, morning and night. Say it with feeling, don't just parrot the words. Feel the truth of them. Visualize it. Use all your senses. What does it look, feel, sound like to be that? Anchor it. Say them during meditation, while looking in the mirror, or writing them in a journal. Affirmations are positive statements, spoken or thought, that help reprogram your subconscious mind and alter your self-perception. They're tools for self-coaching, self-love, and conscious change. So it's important that we take a few minutes to think of a suitable affirmation to begin with. Here are some good examples. I am worthy of love and respect. I am enough just as I am. I am guided by wisdom and intuition. I am abundant and open to receive. I am at peace with my past, present, and future. I am the creator of my reality. I am connected, safe, and never alone. I am grateful for who I am and all I'm becoming. I am resilient and trust the flow of life. The 40-day challenge, wiring your subconscious. Why 40 days? In many spiritual traditions, 40 days is a period of testing, trial, and transformation. It's the time needed to break an old habit and install a new one on a subconscious level. This isn't a quick fix. It's a deep, cellular overhaul. Here is your challenge. First, choose one core area. Don't try to fix everything at once. Choose one: self-worth, abundance, health, or relationships. Second, craft your I am statement. Use the framework we just discussed. Make it powerful and personal. Third, commit to 2 sessions daily: morning to set the tone for the day, and night to program your subconscious during sleep. Just 5 to 10 minutes each. Stay consistent. There will be days you don't feel like it. Do it anyway. This is the discipline of self-mastery. Observe without judgment. Your mind will rebel. It's called cognitive dissonance, the discomfort of holding 2 conflicting beliefs. At the beginning you can say, I am worthy, and your mind says, I'm not good enough. Notice the old thoughts, thank them for trying to protect you, and gently return to your new truth, I am worthy. For the next 40 days, you are not becoming a new person. You are remembering and affirming the powerful, divine, and worthy person you have always been. How to daily affirmation practice in real life. Morning ritual. Begin each day with 5 to 10 minutes of I am affirmations. Stand strong, breathe, and declare your truth with conviction. Mirror work. Looking yourself in the eyes amplifies self-acceptance and power. Affirmation journaling. Write 7 to 10 affirmations each morning and evening. Subliminal practice. Track or use an affirmation app for background support as you work or relax. Crisis moments. Use affirmations to intervene in negative self-talk or anxiety. I am safe. I am resilient. Integrated motivation. Speak I am affirmations during exercise, while walking, or as part of a mindful breathing routine. Combine I am affirmations with meditation, breath work, or visualization for greater effect. I am affirmations are not magic words, but keys that unlock your inner power and rewire your reality from the inside out. Embrace them as a part of your everyday spiritual practice and watch the subtle, profound changes unfold over time. The words, I am, are sacred. They are the architects of your reality. Every time you use them, you are either building a prison or crafting a paradise. You have been using this power your entire life, often by default. You've affirmed your fears, your limitations, your past struggles. Now, it's time to use this power with intention. This is your invitation to take back control. To stop affirming your past and start affirming your future, now. You are not a passive passenger in your life. You are the operator. If this video resonated with you, then this is your sign to start. If you found this guide valuable, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into unlocking your potential. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Remember, the universe is always listening. What will you tell it today?